This is Nafis and you're watching the Vision 2030. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a major news which is breaking since yesterday, the new strain of the COVID-19 virus. There was many people were panic. India and many countries has banned the flights from the UK. What was this major concern? Is this a new virus or what has been changed in that? Why is the people so panic about this? Is it so dangerous? All the details we are going to discuss in this video. Okay. The first thing we should know what is this strain. So what is actually different from the COVID-19 virus which we had already seen? So the major thing what you might have heard the word usually been used in what we mean media and everything, it's a mutant of the COVID-19 virus. So what is the mutant? What do you mean by mutant? That let's see first thing. A mutant in the sense this virus it has undergone a process called as mutation. So what is mutation? Mutation is the sudden change in the genome, so the pattern of the gene sequencing, the genetic material, either it is DNA or the RNA, whatever the genetic material the virus contains. So in that, if there is change, this mutation not only occurs in viruses, it happens in every organisms. So the mutation you can see even in the humans also, it may happen. So there are lots of changes it may come up, and there are all the organisms they may undergo mutation, but the pace, the speed at which this mutation takes place, that changes from the organism to organism. When it comes to higher organism like human or any other organism, there the speed or the pace at which the mutation occurs will be comparatively very slow, and in virus it keeps happening continuously. It's not the first time which has happened in the COVID-19. So there are already so many mutants of COVID-19 present across the world. Even in India, there are lots of mutant has been seen. So there is, it's not so different as something new. First time the mutation has happened in the COVID-19 and the new mutant has been formed. There are many mutants. So, but the what is the major concern is this mutant which has been seen in the UK, this is different compared to other mutants in the speed of transmission, in the sense how fast it can transmit. That's the major concern. The major concern of this mutant is it is so fast, the transmission is so fast that compared to the COVID-19 which generally what we had seen till now, compared to that 70% it is more transmissible, communicable. So there, so that is the major thing to be worried of. But whether is it deadly or is it something like the virus, the mortality rate, whether it kills compared to the other, the COVID-19 what we had seen? No, till now whatever we have reported, there is no certain changes in something like whether it is deadliest or whatever. There are no such changes, no fatality rates been increased or whatever. Only thing is about the transmission rate. The transmission rate is fast, and it's whether it's seen only in UK, as we are speaking about UK. In UK, majorly we had seen this, and not only in the UK, in other countries like Netherlands and Australia also, the same mutant has been seen. Still, the studies are going on by matching this genome with the other mutant which are available in, which are found in the other countries. So it might be found in others also, but predominantly it's been found in UK, and that is because of the environmental condition of the UK. So what happened, this mutation, these changes, this variation takes place when the virus is replicating, in the sense it is similar to the reproduction process. When it's replicating, there will be some errors in the coding. The coding, the gene coding takes place, just like what you might have seen the barcodes, you might have seen the QR codes, what we see in many things. When you go for online payment, you scan a QR code. You may have seen a barcode when you are purchasing something from a supermarket. Same way in our body also there will be coding, the gene coding. Not only in our body, every organism there will be coding by the gene. In this gene coding, if there is a small change, a mistake, a error has taken place, then that leads to a lot of changes in the organism. That's what happens in the virus when these gene coding changes. When there are some pattern being changed and there is some error occurred in that, that leads to a little variation in that particular organism. So what actually has varied in this COVID-19 strain which has been recently found in UK is, you might have seen the spike proteins on the virus. You can check out here the spike proteins. These spike proteins has been changed a little in the strain. There are some extra spike proteins. There are some 6-7 changes in this spike protein has taken place that has made that impact, which actually it is transmitting very fast. And there is nothing much to be worried, I hope so. According to the reports, there is not much to be worried, as this strain is suitable for that environmental condition of the UK. And you know that the environmental condition in UK and India is completely different, so that may not be so dominant in India, but UK, that has become the dominant one. So there are many such organisms we may get in that strain. One will be dominant, some other will be recessive. In UK this seems to be dominant, so it may become in other countries too, but according to the reports the chances are less to be in India to become dominant. And moreover, there is not much to be worried, as the flights being stopped from the UK for many days until the situation come under control. And one more question what it arises is, as already the vaccines are in the market. I had my first video in this channel. You can check out about the Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine, which has been already in distribution level in UK as well as American continent. So that vaccine or any other vaccine which we have seen, whether this strain has any other impact, in the sense, does it develop immunity against that vaccine? Does the treatment of the vaccine be changed? Do we need to find a new vaccine for this strain? The maximum chances is no. So the same vaccine, the same treatment may work on this also, as we have so many viruses prior to this. They also has many other strains, but at majority of chances the same vaccine will work on all the strains. So that is not a matter of worry, but still in depth the pharmaceutical industries are studying this strain in depth, so that there should not be any other much changes in it. Overall, I would like to say that there is nothing much to be panic, but we should be cautious. So there might be a lot of changes. There might speed up here also. Any other mutant also may form in India. So we need to be careful. Follow the standards, the precautions, all the precautions. Then everything will be fine soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.